Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring legality and safety, check local rules and age limits, and obtain permits if needed. Next, gather protective gear, safety glasses, gloves, boots, and fire suppression, 1 bucket water and a hose ready. Then pick a launch area, flat, hard surface with a clear 30 to 50 meter radius, wind under 10 km/h, and no overhead wires. Once done, position spectators at a safe distance and assign 1 sober supervisor to control. You now stage each firework on a stable, non-flammable base and secure it so it won't tip. Use sand or bricks to steady the piece. Use a long-reach igniter or a BBQ lighter for distance, and never hold a device in your hand while lighting. This reduces burn and injury risk. Light a single item, then step back immediately. Make sure other people remain at the marked perimeter. If wind shifts, delay and reposition for safety reasons. Maintain communication with your spotter at all times. You finish by securing the scene. Extinguish any embers, then soak spent materials for at least 30 minutes before disposing in a metal trash can. If a device appears dud, wait 10 to 15 minutes. Approach only after thoroughly soaking it. This prevents delayed ignition injuries. Make sure leftover stock is stored cool, dry, and separate from living spaces. One key troubleshooting tip: if a fuse smolders or misfires, never pick it up. Soak it and treat it as a dud to avoid accidental detonation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.